In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see your subscribers on YouTube. So the first step is to simply click on your profile icon in the top right corner and then simply go to YouTube Studio. Now after we do that, we're gonna have to simply look for recent subscribers. It's on the dashboard. So we just have to click on See All, and then here we can sort the subscribers. So we can choose the subscribers in the last 7 days, 20 days, 90 days, and lifetime if you want. Now, as you can see, this only includes users who have made their subscriptions public. The great thing about this is that you can also see the date they subscribed. You can see their subscribers count. So as you can see, this guy has over 1000 subscribers, and we can also subscribe to their channel. So basically that's all. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.